So if you want to change your TikTok username, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you've been locked out of it and you can't do it for the next 30 days or however long it might be, I'm going to show you a little hack to get around that and still be able to change your username. So let's get straight into it. So when you first open up TikTok, you'll be on the home, the For You page. Click your profile on the bottom right. Now from here, you're going to want to click the edit profile button right under your followers and all that. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see username right here, literally like the second one. Go ahead and click that. Now, I can change it. It doesn't tell me that I need to wait 30 days or however long it might be. I could change it now to whatever I want. I could just type in anything and you can see I could save it and it works. But if you are the people that clicked on this video to know how to do it, if you are blocked from changing your username in the next 30 days, this is how you get around that. So you're going to want to get off of TikTok. You're going to want to go to your settings. And now in your settings, so you're going to want to find general in your settings. Go ahead and click that. Now you're going to want to scroll down to data and time. Now from here, you're going to want to unselect the set automatically. Unselect that. And now from here, go ahead and press the date and fast forward a month. Go ahead and press, so right now it's February 27th. I would press February 27th and I'll confirm it. I don't actually need to do it, so I'm not going to do it. But you would press February 20 or whatever, a month after whatever date it is for you. Then you're going to want to go back to TikTok, but I recommend actually clearing it from your history so it gets time to process. And then you go back to TikTok, click edit profile, go to username, and now it should let you do it. And that is how you change your username even if it doesn't let you.